So before you put all the bolts in and torque them down, I've only got a few bolts, mainly the 12 centimeter and the 9.5 centimeter big bolts. These are the main bolts that hold the two cases together. They have the highest torque, and they have some really thick, some really good thick grooves on them. But once you have the transmission, shift fork, and everything done properly, you can pretty much see what's going on. Now, you have to oil these things really well. So make sure that where the curves are, you hit every single one, because where the curves are, it has to be really well lubricated, and you have to spin these things. So it's in neutral right now. You can see, because the sprocket goes one way and the clutch goes in the other way. So that's in neutral. You know it's in neutral, and you know that I set it based on the alignment on neutral. So you know that one down, okay, so you're going to spin it, and you want to go one down. That's first. It popped into first, and you see the sprocket moving right there, so it's in first. It will not go in separate directions like neutral. Now that, because it's in first, it won't go down anymore. So you can pop it into neutral just a tad right there, and it's in neutral again. Okay, so you know it's in neutral again. And next is going to be second gear, so you're going to go up right there, and that's number 2. Then it's number 3, and it didn't pop, so let's put it back into 2, and let's take it up to 3. Okay, so it's in 3, and it didn't pop, which tells me that the groove here, okay, the groove right there is not well oiled. So we'll put the oil on there. It's on 2, so it's gonna go up to 3, and there it goes. It's up on 3, and it's not properly lubed. Okay, so basically it should have popped into gear, and there it goes. Is that it? No, because if it did, it would have. Okay, so push that in. There it goes. The shift lever came out. So okay, so that's on 4, I think. 5. Okay, and then 6, your final gear. No, yeah, that's 6, your final gear, so it was 5, yeah, there goes 5, and 6, your final gear, which it didn't, push the shift lever in. Yeah, you got to push the shift lever in. So let's get it back into the right one. Okay, and make sure that it's in 6th. Okay, so it's in 6, and that's it. Can't go any further. Make sure the shift lever's on. It goes 5. Alright, let's do it again. The shift lever keeps on coming out, so it's on 6. It's on 6 right there, so it's on 5. The shift lever keeps on coming out. 5. Okay. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. That's it. Back it up a little, and it's back on neutral. So we know that it shifts perfectly. That's it.